Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you some summer breakfast ideas. So I know that I've kind of been posting a lot of breakfast videos lately, but I have just been having the most fun kind of coming up with like new and different breakfast ideas. I'm definitely the type of person that when I find something I like, I just eat it over and over and over again for breakfast every single day. But with the summer coming up, I've just been craving, I don't know, just like different foods, some fresher things. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 2 summer breakfast ideas, and these are things that I've been making recently and I really like. So I hope you guys like them too, and that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into it. The acai that I use for this are these Sambazon frozen acai packs. It's kind of just like a concentrate that you keep in your freezer. So I put in orange juice, bananas, half of one of these packs, and then some frozen blueberries. If you don't have acai or you don't want to spend the money on it, you definitely don't need it. And then I also add in some cacao nibs and chia seeds. And I love adding chia seeds because I find that they keep me full a lot longer than if I just have fruit in my smoothie. So I put all of that into my Vitamix and then I blend it up until it's smooth. The main part of this bowl for me is what I do with the toppings, which we are going to get to in a second. So like I said, if you don't have the acai, it's totally not necessary. It's just like a nice addition if you do have it or if you do have access to it. So for the toppings, my favorite toppings to use are some Nature's Path hemp granola. I love this stuff. I put a bunch of that on, and then I add some unsweetened coconut shreds, smooth, creamy almond butter. Okay, this is like serious food porn. I don't know if anybody else is feeling that right now, but yeah, so I just drizzle some of that on top. I kind of just try and do my best. Usually it ends up being pretty messy. And then the trick is to put the spoon with the leftover almond butter into the bowl, and your first bite is going to be amazing. And then I just put some cacao nibs on top, mostly because I like the way they look. So we are going to start off with a medium frying pan preheated to medium heat, and then you're going to add some olive oil and chili powder and just kind of mix that together. And then when the oil is heated, you can add your tofu. So I just chopped mine into these kind of like thick rectangular shapes, and then I cooked them a few minutes on each side and just flipped them 4 times so that each side got some time to sizzle in the pan. And then while those were finishing cooking, I put a ripe avocado into a bowl. You want to make sure that you have one that's really ripe because we are going to mash it. So I just mashed mine using a fork, super easy. And then I added in a half of a tomato that I diced up and a little bit of red onion that I just finely chopped, about a tablespoon of lime juice, and some salt and pepper. Then you're just going to mix that all together until it's combined. So then while all that's going on, you can toast some bread, and then when it's done, spread your, I guess it's kind of like guacamole mixture on the toast. And follow that up with the spiced tofu pieces, and I just like to finish mine off with a few chili flakes. I just like the added spice, and that is the finished breakfast. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out the recipes. I also wanted to take a minute to thank the sponsor of today's video, Audible, and I have worked with them many times before. You guys know that I love Audible. So whether you are going on a hike or going on a long road trip, audiobooks are honestly just so great to have in the summer. I actually just like having it on while I'm like doing some morning stretches and making my breakfast, and I just find it really calming and peaceful to listen to someone read me a book. I don't know if that sounds weird, but and the one that I just finished was The Untethered Soul. Looks like this. I absolutely loved this book, and I love this guy's voice. The way he reads it is just so good. If you guys are interested in listening to The Untethered Soul, or if you're just interested in checking out Audible and finding an audiobook of your choice, then you can use the link in the description box below or go to audible.com/live, and that will get you a free 1-month trial and a free audiobook that you get to keep forever, no matter what, even if you don't get a membership. So it's a really good deal, and if you guys have any road trips or like hikes or walks or anything planned that you want to have a little bit of entertainment for it, then I definitely recommend checking out Audible. Again, you can just go to audible.com/live, and that will get you a free month trial and 1 free audiobook. So thank you guys so much for listening. Thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!